Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to install Kali Linux in Windows 11 through VMware software. First, you need to download the Kali Linux for VMware. Let's head at their website. You have many options here. Since we are installing Kali Linux on a virtual machine, we will download the virtual machine version. You must choose between VMware and VirtualBox. I will select the VMware option since I will use VMware Workstation in this tutorial. This file is big, so it will take a while until it is finished. If you are new to my channel and want to be updated on my future videos, please hit the subscribe button. You can also like my videos and leave your comments if you want. After we download the file, we will extract it using an archiver. I will use WinRAR. After the extraction is complete, open the destination folder to check the extracted file. Next, open the VMware Workstation and choose Open the Virtual Machine. Let's head over to the extracted file. Look for the .vmx file. Select and hit the Open button. Let us first inspect some settings here. So far, the default settings are already acceptable for my need. Now let's power on. Just ignore this window and click OK. An error pops up. Let's try this again. This error keeps popping up, and we cannot fire up our Kali Linux. When I tried it on my Windows 10 PC, it ran smoothly. Meaning this error is specific to Windows 11. To fix this problem, we need to do some fixing. Hit this Upgrade Virtual Machine thing. On this drop-down menu, choose the VMware version you are using. Since I am using the 16.1 version, I will select this workstation 16.x. Then click Next. Choose Alter this virtual machine. Then click Next. Then hit the Finish. Your virtual machine has been upgraded. Click Close. Click again, power on this virtual machine. Our virtual machine is working, and our Kali Linux is booting up. Next, enter Kali on both the username and password fields. After upgrading our virtual machine, we successfully logged into the virtual machine. Now let's try it on a VM player. Now it's working on VM Player, which doesn't work before the upgrade. The VM Player has no option for upgrading the virtual machine. So it would be best if you upgraded your virtual machine first inside VM Workstation before you can make it work on a VM Player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. See you next time.